If you're looking for speaker wire that fits smaller speakers without sacrificing sound quality, this 100-foot 24-gauge wire is worth considering. Designed specifically for setups where thicker wire won't fit, it offers a practical solution for connecting economy speakers to your amplifier or receiver with ease. What sets this speaker wire apart is its insulated jacket, which plays a crucial role in delivering clear, undistorted audio signals. By protecting the wire from interference, it ensures your home theater system sounds as crisp and vibrant as intended, giving you a better listening experience every time. Another important feature is the polarity-identified wire, which helps you maintain correct speaker phasing. This means your speakers work together smoothly, avoiding any phase cancellation that could muddy your sound. It's a small detail that makes a big difference in overall audio performance. Many users across the United States have praised this wire for its reliability in home audio setups. It's a popular choice for everyday use, proving that you don't need expensive, high-end cables to get solid sound quality in your living room or media room. There's been some debate about the efficiency of this wire, especially since it combines copper and aluminum. But for most home users, this concern doesn't hold much weight. Thanks to the skin effect, the AC audio signal primarily travels along the copper surface, making it an effective conductor for your speakers. Copper has long been the standard for speaker wire because of its excellent conductivity for audio signals. If you want an even better conductor, silver wire exists, but it's rare and costly. For typical home audio setups, this 24-gauge copper-clad aluminum wire offers a smart balance between performance and price. For everyday homeowners, investing in pure copper wire often doesn't make sense. Most home theater systems won't benefit noticeably from more expensive cables. Instead, focusing on the right gauge and quality insulation offers a more practical way to improve your sound system. Audiophiles might spend large sums on premium cables, much like fly fishermen invest heavily in their gear. But unless you're chasing the absolute highest fidelity, this 24-gauge wire delivers dependable performance without unnecessary expense. When it comes to speaker wire gauge, thickness matters. Heavier gauge wire is more durable and better insulated, which means it can carry signals over longer distances with less loss. For typical home audio setups, 16-gauge wire is usually sufficient, but 24-gauge works well for smaller speakers and shorter runs. If you want something more robust, 14-gauge wire offers added durability and resistance to damage, perfect if your setup faces wear and tear, like pets chewing or frequent rearranging. The trade-off is that thicker wire isn't as flexible, but that's often a small price to pay for longevity. This 100-foot 24-gauge speaker wire strikes a solid balance between flexibility and durability. It fits into tight spaces where thicker cables won't, while still protecting your audio signal from distortion. That means you get clear sound without fussing over complicated installation. Using the right speaker wire isn't just about sound quality, it also affects the lifespan of your equipment. Poor wiring can cause signal loss or even damage your amplifier over time. This wire's construction minimizes resistance and interference, helping your system run smoothly for years. If you're setting up a home theater on a budget, this wire is a practical choice. It delivers clean audio signals, supports correct speaker phasing, and fits smaller speakers perfectly. You get reliable performance without overspending on features you don't need. For those who want peace of mind, the insulation on this wire guards against environmental factors that can degrade sound. Whether it's dust, accidental tugs, or minor pet damage, the jacket keeps your wiring safe and your audio consistent. Considering all these benefits, this 100-foot 24-gauge speaker wire is a smart pick for anyone upgrading or installing a home audio system. It's easy to work with, affordable, and built to maintain signal clarity, so your speakers deliver the sound you expect. If you're ready to improve your home audio setup without splurging on premium cables, this wire deserves a spot on your shortlist. It's a dependable option that meets the needs of most home users, combining quality, convenience, and value. Worth a look if you want hassle-free installation and solid sound performance. This wire helps you get the most out of your speakers without complicated setups or high costs. When it comes to speaker wire, don't overlook the importance of gauge and insulation. This 24-gauge option balances both, making it ideal for smaller speakers and typical home theater distances. Try it when you're ready to upgrade your sound system with wiring that's designed for real-world use. It's a straightforward way to enhance your audio experience without unnecessary expense or complexity.